So another recipe that we'll be doing on the Nick Coffer 3 Counties show is the Black Forest Cupcakes. So here we've got some chocolate cake mix, which you can either buy at the cake house as a mix form, and then you can just use that if you don't want to do lots of baking, or you could use the caramel cake that we did, the caramel recipe, and just substitute the caramel, replace the caramel with chocolate cocoa powder. And we're going to add cherries, chopped chocolate, and also a little bit of cherry flavouring. You could add an alcohol called Kirsch if you wanted to, but we're doing a non-alcoholic option today. Our cake mixture is all in the cupcake cases. We're going to put these in the oven. We're electric fan assisted, 150 degrees, and these should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so our cupcakes have cooked, and so now we're going to finish them off with our toppings.